How to start affiliate marketing with no money. 5 essential tips for beginners. So you're looking to get into affiliate marketing. You know what affiliate marketing is. Essentially promoting other people's products and services for a commission or a sale. So now that you understand what affiliate marketing is, you know there are platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, and you also know that there are products and services on ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Share a Sale, and Health Nutrition, and so many other websites. So what you need to do right now is, if you're looking to promote products and services, start with what you have, start with what you know, and start where you are right now. So can you open your camera and talk about a product or service that you already have that you can promote? Can you record a video and upload it to YouTube? Can you record a video and upload it to Instagram, Facebook, Twitter? Can you do that? Can you start there? Start there. Okay. So I'm going to cover 5 different tips for you because you're a beginner. Because you do not know how to go about promoting other people's products or promoting affiliate products in general. So for tip number 1 is use the free platforms to get started. Because you should understand that in affiliate marketing, you have to drive traffic. Okay, you have to drive traffic in order for people to come and click on your affiliate links, and certain percentage of the traffic or certain percentage of people who click on your link will convert into buyers, or they will purchase through your affiliate links. So traffic is essential. So what you need to do is use the free platforms that is already there, like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, blog post, LinkedIn, TikTok, whatever platform that you see. Use those free platforms and get started. So what you need to do there is open up a brand new YouTube account, open up a free Facebook account, open up a Facebook groups, whatever the case may be, and start creating free content, because you right now do not have money to spend. So you're essentially trying to build an affiliate marketing business for free. So you're a beginner, you're trying to start affiliate marketing with no money. So what you're going to do is you're going to use those free platforms, create a lot of content. You would pick a product that you want to promote, grab your affiliate link, you create a piece of content that talks about the product, pros, cons, benefits, how does it help, what are the objections, how does it add value to the person who's watching. You talk about the things that will be beneficial for them if they buy it, and if are you giving any extra bonus, or is this offer available only for a limited time. So whatever the case may be regarding that particular product, you talk about it, you create a piece of content. Let's say you create video on YouTube, it lives on for it forever. It's free to get started. You literally use your phone, place your phone in the horizontal direction and turn on a camera and talk about it. Do not care about perfection, just talk about it, and that's how you make your first video and upload it on regarding affiliate marketing, that product that you're trying to promote. So check, that is point number 1. Use the free platforms to get started. Just keep creating content. Don't worry about perfection, don't worry about any other thing. Are people able to hear you? Are people able to see you? And are they finding is there value for them in that particular content? Is what they're looking for. Just give them what they want, and in turn you will get what you want, which is affiliate sales or affiliate commission. Point number 2 or tip number 2 is you have to create more content to promote products. So initially you're not spending more money on traffic, you're not trying to pay for traffic, but essentially what you're trying to do is you're trying to create more content. There are 2 ways to drive traffic. One is the paid methods, which is fast. You spend money on Facebook ads, Google ads, Instagram ads, Pinterest ads, search ads, native ads, so many other ad platforms are there, banner ads, okay, shoutouts, promotions. There are so many methods of marketing. But if you cannot afford to spend money on paid advertising, which essentially you will have to learn a lot about paid advertising, but if you can focus on just creating content, pick a product, talk about its pros, cons, benefits, whatever people are searching for, create content on that. Because if people are searching for that, they will definitely watch it, and once they watch it and you tell them to click the link in the description, they will come and buy it. So if you keep on creating more content, your audience will build up. As your audience builds up, you will see that the amount of clicks happen a lot faster than expected, and a lot of people will come and buy your products and services, and you'll be able to make a lot more sales using affiliate marketing. So keep any affiliate product that you promote. So tip number 2 is you have to create more content to promote products. If you create more content, you're guaranteed to increase the amount of traffic that you can bring onto the affiliate links that you place in your description below, or in your link tree, or in your bio, or wherever you're trying to place the affiliate links in. Create more content to drive more traffic. So remember that you have to create more content to promote affiliate products or to even get paid. Point number 3 or the tip number 3, you must give a call to action. You give a CTA. CTA stands for call to action. That's one of the affiliate marketing terms. So if you one of the call to actions is check the link in the description below and purchase the product. Click the link in the description below and purchase the product. or click the link in the description to sign up for this thing. So that is one example of call to action. You're telling people to take an action on that particular thing. Even like this video is call to action. Subscribe to this channel is also call to action. Follow me on social media is also a call to action. So make sure to always give a call to action, because if you do not give a call to action, people do not know what to do next. You have to tell people what they should do in order for you to benefit from the thing that you're trying to do. If you're creating a video and you're promoting a book or a product that you use, a smartphone that you use, a laptop that you use, you have to tell people, check the link in the description. I've placed the link for you to go and purchase this product. So when you give a call to action, people take action. You're telling people what to do. So make sure to always give a call to action for every single thing that you do. You talk about something, you give value to them and give them a call to action. Don't forget call to action. So the call to action for this video is for you to check out the link in the description. I've given free resources. You'll get first 3 chapters of my affiliate marketing mastery book. You can also pre-order the book, link in the description below. And if you're the first 50 people who want to learn affiliate marketing and make your first 6 figures, check out affiliate marketing mastery course. You can get it for less than $40. Okay, first 50 people get a discount, and after the price goes up, and yeah, so grab in when the spots are limited, and you'll be able to make a lot more money using affiliate marketing. I'll teach you everything about affiliate marketing, and I will help you make your 6-figure income fast. $100,000, not any other amount. $100,000. If you can follow along and just take action on what I'm saying, I will take you from 0 to 6 figures. If you can make 6 figures using affiliate marketing, you would have learned content creation, you would have learned marketing, sales, persuasion, communication, social media, audience building, email list, everything that has to do with creating content and building an audience and actually making money. Everything, you will have money coming to you right away. So always make sure to give a call to action. That is point number 3. Point number 4, or topic number 4, or a key tactic number 4 is you have to build an email list. Most people just create content on social media and they place their affiliate links. People come, they watch the video, they sometimes might click the link or they might not click the link. So what you can do is you need to create something for free that is valuable to customers. Give it for free. So because in free, you are not only able to do one thing, you are able to get their email, name and email on their contact details, like name, email, phone number, or whatever that you want from them, in exchange for giving that free thing to them. So initially you're trying to build know, like and trust factor, which is essential in order to generate a sale or convert a prospect into a customer. So if you can build an email list, let's say you're promoting this different products, create something of value to them and give it to them. Like let's say you are working in tech, okay? List all the best products that you have that you find valuable and people should use or must use or should have in their home. Make a list of that and place your affiliate links from Amazon or whatever platform that you're purchasing that. Make a list and literally offer that as a freebie or a free guide or a free book to people, and people will definitely check it out. So once they find value in that, they will definitely check it out and they will purchase. They will come to your emails. Yeah, they will submit their email, name, email and phone number, and they will come into your email list database. It's essential to build an email list database because you can have list of customers on demand that you can send an email right away, every day, any single time. If you have customers right within your at your disposal, you can make money instantly. So you write up an email, send an email, place your affiliate link or place a product link, and they will make sales for you immediately. You will make money instantly. So number 4, always make sure to build an email list. This is what beginners always fail to do. They fail to build an email list. They think people will come and they'll come and purchase it. No. People, 90% of the audience does not buy at the first instant. They require a lot of convincing. They need to know you, like you, and trust you in order to even purchase from you. So if you do not know, like, and trust someone, how will you do business with them? So that's why you can read about my affiliate marketing mastery first 3 chapters for free. It's linked in the description below. You'll learn a lot more about so many things that you do not know or so many people are not telling you. And I want you to get to know me, like me and trust me, because if you are among the first 50 people, you will be finding value immediately. So number 4 is you have to build an email list regardless of whatever business you're trying to do. Even if you're trying to promote a smartphone or a laptop or whatever, make sure to build an email list. Build an email list. It'll be handy for you because having access to a bunch of customers at your disposal is easy, because when any product comes in the market, you can send an email to your list and they will instantly make a purchase from your email. They'll click the affiliate link and they'll make a purchase. So it's as simple as that. Number 5, or tactic number 5 is consistency is key, because if you create, you will promote affiliate products. If you do not create, you will not promote, and that's why you will not make any sale. So I have a term that I want to tell you. It's a phrase. It's in affiliate marketing. If you do not promote, you do not get paid. Remember that always. If you do not promote, you do not get paid. As an affiliate marketer, if you do not create content, if you do not promote a product, you do not get paid. So the more you do, the volume of content you do, keep on doing every day, 1 piece, 2 piece of content, 3 pieces, just takes 5 minutes for one video. In 1 hour's time, you can literally do 10 to 15 pieces of content just like that, and you all literally have 5 to 10 days of content like that, then and that ready. So nowadays people require more volume, more consistency. People need to see your face again and again for them to trust you. So if you can create a lot more content and consistently, you can schedule out content or record ahead of time and upload it and schedule it, people will see your face again and again, and then once you keep on recommending same product, they will buy it from you again. It says that people need to see your product 7 to 21 times right now. If you get into affiliate marketing right now, it becomes 7 to 21 times they need to see your product before they make a purchase. Okay, but later down the line, if you get into affiliate marketing too late, okay, it will go from 21 to 49 or 93 times. So whatever the case may be, 92 times they need to see your, so it becomes a lot of interactions. They need to see your product again for them to even desire to even make a purchase. So get into it right now. Make your 6 figures as fast as possible using affiliate marketing, and my course will teach you how to make your first 6 figures using affiliate marketing. I'll give you a little plan what to do. So check out the links in the description. That is your call to action. If you're new here, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.